Ensuring the sterility of pharmaceutical products manufactured through aseptic processing is paramount for patient safety. Aseptic processing involves manipulating sterile products and components in a controlled environment to prevent microbial contamination. To guarantee the effectiveness of these processes, rigorous aseptic process studies are conducted. These studies are essential for demonstrating that the manufacturing process can consistently produce sterile products. The primary purpose of aseptic process studies is to simulate the actual manufacturing process using a sterile growth medium, typically microbiological growth media like tryptic soy broth, instead of the actual product. This is most commonly known as a media fill. By mimicking the process steps, including equipment setup, personnel interventions, and environmental conditions, these studies aim to identify potential points of contamination. Other types of aseptic process studies include broader process simulations that might incorporate various aspects of the manufacturing flow, as well as focused studies on environmental monitoring and personnel monitoring to assess the effectiveness of contamination control measures. Several critical elements are crucial for the success and validity of aseptic process studies. Firstly, a detailed protocol must be in place outlining the study objectives, procedures, materials, and acceptance criteria. The simulation should accurately reflect the representative conditions of routine production, including the duration of the process and any planned or potential interventions. Qualified and trained personnel must perform the study, adhering to strict aseptic techniques. For media fills, the choice of growth medium is critical to support the growth of a wide range of potential contaminants. Robust environmental monitoring throughout the study provides valuable data on the state of the cleanroom environment. Accurate data collection and thorough analysis of the results are essential to determine if the process meets the predefined acceptance criteria. Finally, any microbial growth observed during a media fill or any adverse trends in environmental or personnel monitoring must be thoroughly investigated to identify the root cause and implement corrective and preventative actions. In conclusion, aseptic process studies are an indispensable part of ensuring the sterility and safety of aseptically manufactured pharmaceutical products. By meticulously simulating the production process and rigorously evaluating the outcomes, these studies provide critical evidence of process capability and help identify and mitigate potential contamination risks. They are a fundamental requirement of good manufacturing practices, playing a vital role in protecting patient health and maintaining the integrity of the pharmaceutical supply chain.